Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to create the base plate for the wheel assembly. So we'll create these, there's 4 parts. We'll create them one at a time, and then we'll assemble them together to create our final wheel assembly. But before we get started, what I want to do is I'm going to create a new project folder. So I'm going to go up to the ribbon up here where you see projects, and then I'm going to click on new. And new single user project, that's what I want. I'm going to click on next. And then for the project name, I'm going to call this wheel assembly. I'm going to click on finish. It says it doesn't exist. Do you want to create it? Yes, please. And thank you. And then I'm going to click on done. And then now we can start creating our parts. So I'm going to go up to new. This one is going to be in millimeters, and it's also the material is going to be cast iron. So I want to make sure that we're in the metric template. I'm going to click on standard millimeters here and go to create. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this X and Z plane. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees to the left this way. And then I'm going to use the rectangle and the 2-point center option. I'm going to start my rectangle in the center here and drag it kind of out and down a little bit. So the overall dimensions for this is 136. Hit the tab key. And then the height of that looks like 78. It's hard to read these numbers. 78. Press the tab key, hit enter. And then I'm going to create another rectangle with the same 2-point center. Make sure you use the same center point. I'm going to drag this one out. This width is going to be 60. Press the tab key, and that's going to be 78 again. Press the tab key, press enter. All right, so then I'm going to finish my sketch here. Let me zoom this baby out all the way. So I want to extrude these 2 side rectangles here, and then I want them to go symmetric, and the total distance of those are going to be 12 millimeters. I'm going to hit the OK. And you can see our sketch went away. So I'm going to go up where you see extrusion. I'm going to click on the plus sign. Sketch number 1. I'm going to right click it, turn the visibility of that sketch back on. And I'm going to extrude the center. This time I'm going to use the one on the far right, the asymmetric option. So I want it to go up 10, and I want it to go down 2, like so. Yeah, and then we hit the OK. So there's that kind of our base piece right there. All right, so here I'm going to use the fillet. I want to round the corners off. So I'm going to go up to the fillet tool. For the radius, they're telling us that needs to be a radius of 12 millimeters. I'm going to select the edges. 1, 2, 3. There's one on the back. Hit apply. Let me go in here and let me turn off the visibility of this sketch number 1. So turn that visibility off. Don't need that anymore. And then all I need to do is I'm going to add 4 holes in the corner. So I'm going to go up to the hole option here. And we're going to go simple hole. The seed is going to be none. It's going to go all the way through. And then the diameter of that hole, it says That is 10. And then I'm going to click a spot here on the top surface here. And I'm going to click on this kind of curve. Make sure that's concentric. Same thing here. Click the curve. Click here. Click the curve. I'm going to click over here. Click on that curve there. So those are all kind of where they need to be. I'm going to hit the OK. And I think, oh yeah, we need to add our material on there. So I'm going to go up to where you see generic. Look for cast iron, which is iron, cast. Put that on there. And so that is our base plate. So I'm going to go to File, Save. I'm going to name this base plate. And I'm going to save it. And we're done with that. So not too bad on that one. So in the next video, we'll create one of the other parts. All right, come back and find out which one it's going to be. All right, peace.